Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create group chat in Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app, click on Messenger option, tap on this option. Okay, click on create a new group and choose someone. Okay, choose someone and start. Okay, search this person. Tap on this option and create a new group and choose someone. Okay, tap on create and send message. That's all to create group chat in Facebook. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.